gonna have our stick, we're gonna go up overhead like this. And this time what I'm gonna do in that overhead position, I'm gonna try to collapse one vertebrae at a time. So like an accordion, ribs coming together, coming together, coming together on one side. Meanwhile, they're opening, 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 opening on the other side. We're gonna go as far as we can comfortably into lateral flexion. And then here's where we're gonna stack. So then I want you to think about stacking one rib at a time as you come back up, and then having that tower collapse the other way. What I don't want is for you guys to fold over a single point, which is very common, and especially in people with stiff spines. I want you guys to, again, do your best to try to move segmentally, but now think segmental ribs and laterally. You can adjust your hand position as much as you want, okay? But we're gonna lead this with our shoulder blades because that's gonna help you move those top few ribs. So I'm gonna draw my right shoulder blade down. I'm gonna lift my left shoulder blade up slightly, and that's gonna help me close off those upper ribs on the right and open them up on the left. And then I'm gonna try to, again, visualize one vertebrae, or one rib, I should say, at a time, opening up on the left, closing off on the right. I'm gonna find my bottom position again. We're gonna hang out here and breathe. So blow all your air out, sink into it, pause, take a nice slow inhale. And on that exhale, we're gonna stack one rib at a time, starting with the lower ribs, and then think about your mid rib stacking, then your upper rib stacking. Now you're upright again, but we're going right into the other side. Left shoulder blade draws down, right shoulder blade comes up, and then we're just slowly opening up one rib at a time. Now on the right side, bending yourself, but think curling over to the left, staying on that left side, blow all your air out, pause, nice slow inhale, and then exhale, come up, starting with the lower ribs, and then one vertebrae at a time, coming back up, and then going right over to the other side. Right shoulder blade down, left shoulder blade comes up slightly, get those upper ribs moving. Try to think about making a C shape rather than a V shape with your spine. Breathing at the bottom. Pause, slow inhale through your nose. Exhale, slowly stacking ribs, one on top of the other, on top of the other. Try not to move through any jerky motions. See if you can keep it one slow, smooth motion with just a pause at that end point in that fully lengthened state. There we go. And then we're gonna hang out here. Air comes out. Nice slow inhale. Good exhale. Coming all the way back up. Now I'm going to throw a curveball at you, so follow my cues this time, okay? I'm not going to tell you it, I'm just going to show you it. So we're going to go right back to the right side, shoulder blades down, everything's the same so far. One rib at a time, closing off on the right and opening up on the left. Find your bottom position, breathe, nice slow inhale. Now here's what we're going to do. You're going to drop your right shoulder forward. We're going to start rotating, coming around. So now our chest is pointing at the floor. Arms are going to stay overhead. We're going to come to a center position. So now I'm even again, okay? But my upper back is really rounded. I'm going to draw my left hand towards my left knee, and I'm going to rotate my chest the other way, okay? So it's like I'm drawing a big circle here, and I'm going to slowly circle around until I'm now side bent on the other side. I'll bring my stick back up over my head. I'm going to breathe here. Then we're going to come back up, one rib at a time. And now we're back at home base again, but now we're going to go back to the left. So we'll start by side bending, one rib at a time, dropping over to that left side. Big stretch on the right side. Exhale, inhale. And on this exhale, chest is going to start to rotate down towards your left foot. Stick is going to come back overhead and around in front of you. Then we're going to come to center. In this position, you should feel a nice big stretch in your upper back. We're going to rotate over to the right side. So my right hand is going to start to go behind my right knee. My left hand is going to start to come up overhead. Chest is rotating. Now we're side bent over to that left side, and then one rib at a time, coming all the way back to an upright position. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the right side. We're doing it all again. Tipsy over to the right side, one rib at a time, closing on the right, opening on the left. Get the biggest stretch you can comfortably. Breathe. Nice, inhale into that left side. And as we exhale, we're gonna rotate through. Again, nice, slow, continuous, smooth motion. We're gonna come back over to that left side. Left hand's behind the right knee. Right arm's gonna come up overhead. We're gonna breathe into this right side. Nice slow inhale into the right. And then no momentum, just slowly stacking, one rib at a time, coming all the way back up.